Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mack, the Meowing cat token. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 14th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Mack, the Meowing cat token, and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token right now has 6,050 holders so far. So they're off to a great start here. And in the past 24 hours, according to DEX Tools, this token is up 5,300%. So very popular project here. Now, you can find this token on SolScan. It's a meme coin on the Solana blockchain, but you could also find the chart and the price and all the statistical information on DEX Tools, DEX Screener, Bird Eye, Gecko Terminal. This token is actually trending number 3 right now in the Solana section on DEX Screener. Very popular token today. This token was created on Moonshot, and you can tell because on DEX Screener they have the little moon emblem beside the token name there. And right behind it, trending number 4, is the Concho token, which is a very popular token yesterday, the Hispanic Pepe token, so check that one out. And trending number 8 today in the Solana section is the Mobi AI token, and I'm going to be posting a video on Mobi AI because that token also got a bunch of central exchange listings today. So Mack, the Meowing cat, it was announced today, will be listed on a very big central exchange starting today, January 14th, 1 p.m. UTC time. Mack will be listed on Lbank. So if you're looking to get this token here and you don't have an Lbank account, you could download Lbank from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC. And then you would fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Mack, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it says here they had a community takeover for this token as well. Yesterday, January 13, it says community takeover, a community claimed ownership for this token January 13th. It says 6-month-old token deployed from Jupiter founder and still holds. The community has come together to push the return of the Mack. So on the Lbank listing, there is a link to catstanbul.jup.ag. So it says Catstanbul 2025, a gathering of the Jupiverse. So basically, they're saying like Jupiter, which is a big Solana decentralized exchange, just like Radium or Meteora, had this token come out a while ago, and the community kind of like revamped, took over the token, and is now pushing it as of, I'd assume, if we look at this token here, it says it was created on Moonshot, basically just came out on Radium 8 hours ago. So very hot off the press here. 8 hours, 55 minutes ago, the pair was created on Radium. And they have been doing some marketing today on DEX Screener. It's got the 100 lightning bolts marketing boost ad button there. And obviously it's been working because today they have a 24-hour trading volume of $21.9 million. They've had 55,880 transactions just today. Market cap right now is $8.1 million. And that's also their fully diluted valuation. $788,000 worth of liquidity in Radium, and according to Dex Screener, 99.69% of the total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price right now is about 1 penny. And if you wanted to get this token in a decentralized way, maybe Lbank is not available in your country, or maybe you just don't want to use a central exchange, you can also get the token off of Radium. So first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund that wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Radium, and then using the contract address that you could find on their Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, or you can find it actually right here on their Twitter at Mack the Cat Sol. You would trade your Sol for the Mack token. Now, you probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees, and this token may also become available on other dexes like Meteora, Jupiter, Orca, and maybe they'll get some more central exchange listings in the future if the token continues to do well. So it says, the noisiest cat in the world meows when frustrated, meows when content, meows when hungry, meows non-stop. It is Mack, the meowing cat. And they have 24 tweets so far on their Twitter. You can see it's a brand new Twitter, just joined January 2025. 910 followers. And their most recent tweet, 28 minutes ago, they just retweeted their Lbank listing announcement. And it looks like this token is also available on MEXC Global. So an easy way to get it if you don't have an MEXC Global account. I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. All you'd have to do is just go right through that referral code, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go search Mack in the trade section, and simply just buy the token. So there's a bunch of different ways to get this token here. MEXC Global down there in the description box, Lbank, Radium, it's doing very well. Trending number 3 still on Dex Screener. Their risk analysis on their rug check says good. The top holder only has 2% of the tokens, so there's no big whales or anything like that. And so there is a current total supply of this token, 818,555,105 tokens, and there's 9 decimal places on this token. So go check out Mack, the meowing cat meme coin on Solana. You can find it on MEXC, Lbank, etc. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.